Welcome back to a new video, people, and today we are at Helmingham Hall, one of them, and it's a light show, so we're going to go see the lights. A light trail. Thank you, Mrs. Ipswich. How much did it cost? We're not going to say.
17.
No, we're not going to say yet. You got to come back at the end of the video, come at the end of the video to see how much it costs and to see if it's worth it. Okay, so we've come to a photo opportunity.
My face.
Mrs. Ipswich is excited for this one. You're gonna sit on your throne?
On my throne?
Yeah, go on, sit on your throne. You can't hear me because of the music, but we're going in here.
No, we didn't. No.
So we're gonna go and toast marshmallows. Yummy? Cheers. So that's the end of the light show. We also bought a couple of gonks and a candle.
2 candles.
2 candles. They were very nice. I love the gingerbread. The names of the shops and whatever are in the video already. And yeah, I think it's worth it. Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah. We spent 2 hours going around, but that's mainly because I was stopping off getting some videos and photos. And photos of you. And me. And also we paid about 20 quid each to go. So would you say it's worth it?
Yeah.
Same. It was, like I said, we spent like 2 hours. You can spend as long as you want walking around there. And it's good for families. Yeah.
Yeah.
So catch you on the next one, people.